You went full on me. I appreciate that.
I said fuck it, dude.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. I told you 15, I'd be here in time. All right.
Yeah, no, by all means. I just happened to swing over here, and I was like, oh, look what he's doing.
Yeah.
I apologize.
You're good.
There we go. My name is Mr. Bumpin' on TikTok, Ethan. I have a 2016 Kia Soul. I got 2 VXF 15s from Scar on a Big Boss 8K Teramps. Box is 8 cubic feet. Everything powering it is a Kilo 55. The mids are 2 Sylvester 8s, 2 Arnold 6.5s on a Sound Digital 1200.4.
Nice. Wow. This is pretty fancy. I'm trying to figure out everything you've done. So you got like your speaker box is here. You got this box braced like actually on the platform. Wow, okay.
Well, the goal at hopefully before the end of the summer is to take out the back seats completely, make it one platform. Okay. And then my buddy that you just got a demo from, those 2 VXFs are also going to be coming into the car. Oh, so I'll be running 4. But this is just stopping the squeak because the seats kind of bounce sometimes over train tracks and stuff. Okay. And I have a Brand X 320 under the hood and a battery delete. Okay. Awesome.
And is there a port in the back?
Yeah, it's a 10-inch aeroport in the back. I can pop the hatch afterward.
Okay. Yeah.
And then each door has 3 layers of sound deadening, and the roof is double layered.
You done a lot, and you did all this?
Yeah.
Wow, a lot of work in here.
Yeah.
How many hours you think you got, if you had to estimate?
Well, truthfully, I couldn't tell you, but I've had the car for about 6 months. Okay. And yes. So I'd say a good 6 months, and granted, winter just ended. Yeah. So if you take into account, all this was done in a driveway in the cold.
Awesome. And have you ever tried mounting this as regular or always invert?
I did invert because we bought the box. They were meant for 2 Evil 15s. They have a slightly smaller cutout diameter. Okay. So we were going to, but then we did the 10-inch port, and the baskets would hit the port. Got it. Yeah. So we have like an inch maybe up top clearance to the magnet. Okay. That's it. Good.
Awesome. Looks good. What is this? Last 2 questions.
You're good.
What is the material on the box?
I just went to Joann Fabrics and we saw this one and said, let's do it. Okay.
And tuning frequency on the port?
Tuned to 29.
All right.
I do a 151 at 35 on the dash.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm excited to hear it.
I can't complain.
Yes, sir. Awesome. All right. Yeah, let's get to it. Thanks for watching, man.
Yeah, absolutely. Like I said, my friend told me, and I was like, oh my gosh, we have to do this. There we go. A week ago, we almost, part of the coil on this sub is burnt. Really? Yeah, but they're not that expensive. Yeah. Worst case scenario, if I blow them, I'd rather be here in front of you.
That's right. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for watching. Can I check out the port in the back?
Absolutely.
Nice. And this is made out of what?
So this is just a concrete tube, like pouring tube from Home Depot. And then I had a buddy 3D print the flare for me.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, and this is at 1 ohm?
Yeah, 1 ohm. Only 2 inputs at the moment. Everything was put together very last minute. As I tend to see with most bass heads, so no complaints.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Awesome. What size aeroport?
14 wide all the way around and then 10 inner diameter.
All right, man.
Thank you,
awesome.
Man. Appreciate you, boys.
You're welcome. Thanks for showing me.
Make sure this is the right song. It has a kind of long intro. Yeah, this one. Again, long intro.
It's alright, you can always just hold the thing and it'll go up faster.
Really?
Yep. that. Wow.
I said, fuck it, dude. Sorry for my swear.
You're good.
I just,
Wow.
yeah, no. And that's, believe it or not the smelliest they've gotten.
Wow.
Like a week ago, we almost, part of the coil on this sub is burnt.
Really?
Yeah, but they're not that expensive.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, if I blow them, I'd rather be here in front of you.
That's right. I appreciate it, man. Thanks.
Everything was put together very last minute, as I tend to see with most bass heads, so no complaints.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Awesome.
Thank you,
Awesome.
man. Appreciate you, boys.
You're welcome. Thanks for showing me.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.